Can't sleep? These 6 vitamins may fix your sleep naturally. Do you lie in bed exhausted, only to have your mind race and your body tense, or wake up at 2 or 3 a.m. wide awake, wondering why sleep feels impossible? You're not imagining it. Chronic poor sleep quietly damages your memory, weakens your immune system, affects your mood, and even accelerates aging. Every sleepless night pulls your body further off balance. But here's the good news. Your sleep can be restored naturally, often faster than you think. In this video, I'm revealing 6 science-backed vitamins that help reset your sleep rhythm so you can fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up truly refreshed. I'll also show you which foods naturally contain each vitamin, making it simple to start improving your sleep tonight. No complicated routines or expensive pills. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of these sleep-transforming tips. Or when I say vitamins, I'm also including essential minerals your body needs for better sleep and recovery. Let's get started. Vitamin number 6 is magnesium, a mineral that quietly holds the key to calmer nights and deeper, more restorative sleep. If you often toss and turn at night, staring at the ceiling while your mind races, magnesium may be exactly what your body has been missing. This essential nutrient plays several crucial roles in preparing your body for rest. It helps lower cortisol, the stress hormone that keeps your brain alert long after your day should have ended. By reducing cortisol levels, magnesium signals your body that it's time to relax, allowing both mind and muscles to release tension. It also supports your nervous system, helping nerves communicate efficiently so that your body can enter a state of calm rather than remaining on high alert. Perhaps most importantly, magnesium aids melatonin production, the hormone that orchestrates your sleep-wake cycle. Without enough magnesium, your body struggles to tell night from day, leaving you restless and groggy. Incorporating magnesium into your diet can be simple and enjoyable. Foods naturally rich in magnesium include pumpkin seeds, which make a perfect snack before bed, almonds that pair easily with fruit or yogurt, and leafy greens like spinach, which can be added to salads, smoothies, or evening meals. Each of these choices not only provides magnesium, but also offers other nutrients that support overall health, making it a double win. For those who find it difficult to reach sufficient levels through food alone, supplementation can be highly effective. A standard dose of around 200 to 400 milligrams in the evening is generally considered safe for adults, but it's always wise to check with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement routine. Taking magnesium about an hour before bed can enhance its natural relaxing effects, helping your body shift gently from wakefulness to sleep. Imagine lying in bed, your body finally softening into the mattress instead of stiffly resisting rest. Your shoulders relax, your jaw unclenches, and your racing thoughts begin to slow. That is the effect magnesium can have when it is part of a consistent nighttime routine. By supporting both physiological and neurological pathways, this mineral does more than just help you fall asleep. It helps you stay asleep, recover fully, and wake up refreshed. For anyone who struggles with nighttime restlessness or morning grogginess, magnesium offers a tangible, science-backed step toward reclaiming restful nights. When you combine magnesium-rich foods with mindful timing and, if needed, supplementation, you empower yourself to take control of your sleep, supporting your body's natural rhythms and giving every morning a stronger, clearer start. Vitamin number 5 is vitamin B6, a nutrient that plays a surprisingly powerful role in helping your body prepare for sleep. While it might not get the attention of magnesium or melatonin supplements, B6 is essential for one of the most important biochemical pathways in your brain. It helps convert tryptophan, an amino acid found in many foods, into serotonin, the neurotransmitter often called the feel-good chemical. Serotonin doesn't just boost your mood. It is the direct precursor to melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Without enough B6, this conversion process slows down, leaving your body with less serotonin and melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep, stay asleep, or wake up refreshed. In other words, B6 is like a bridge between calmness, relaxation, and restorative sleep, giving you both mental and physical balance. Incorporating B6 into your evening routine can be straightforward and enjoyable. Foods rich in B6 include bananas, which provide a quick, light snack perfect before bed, chickpeas, which can be roasted or added to salads for a crunchy, satisfying bite, and salmon, a nutrient-dense option that offers protein and omega-3s alongside B6. Pairing these foods with a small evening snack helps maintain stable blood sugar levels while supporting the body's natural melatonin production. For those who struggle to get enough through diet alone, a low-dose B6 supplement taken in the evening can also help, ensuring that your body has the building blocks it needs to produce serotonin efficiently. Imagine finishing a long day and feeling that sense of calm washing over you as you prepare for bed. The tension in your shoulders eases, your mind feels lighter, and even small worries seem to drift away. That's the effect B6 can have over time, especially when it becomes a consistent part of your evening routine. Many people notice that not only does falling asleep become easier, but waking up in the morning feels brighter, calmer, and more focused. Mood improvements often accompany better sleep, creating a positive feedback loop where your days feel more manageable and your nights more restorative. By understanding the role B6 plays and intentionally incorporating it through food or supplementation, you take an active step toward reclaiming your nights. This is about more than nutrients. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to restore balance, resilience, and a sense of control over your sleep. So each day begins with clarity and energy rather than grogginess and stress. Vitamin number 4 is vitamin D, often called the sun vitamin, yet its role in sleep is deeper than most people realize. While many associate D with bone health or immunity, it also plays a critical part in regulating your circadian rhythm, the internal clock that tells your body when to wake up and when to prepare for rest. Without adequate vitamin D, your natural sleep-wake signals can become muted or delayed, leaving you restless at night and sluggish during the day. This disruption can feel subtle at first, like difficulty waking in the morning or a mid-afternoon slump, but over time, it can impact mood, focus, and overall health. Vitamin D also supports melatonin production, reinforcing your body's ability to transition smoothly from wakefulness to sleep, and helping nights feel naturally restorative rather than interrupted or restless. Incorporating vitamin D through diet is straightforward and effective. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna provide a concentrated source, while eggs offer a smaller but valuable contribution. These foods not only supply D, but also healthy proteins and fats that support overall metabolism, making them ideal additions to evening meals or snacks. For those who struggle to get enough through diet alone, supplements are available, but it's important to check with a healthcare professional before starting high-dose D, as individual needs can vary widely. Pairing food with sunlight exposure is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to enhance your vitamin D metabolism. Spending time outside in the morning sun, even just 15 to 20 minutes, signals your body that daytime has begun, strengthening the sleep-wake cycle and improving alertness during the day. This small, natural habit can make a noticeable difference, especially for those who experience jet lag, shift work, or general daytime fatigue. Imagine beginning your day feeling alert, energized, and clear-headed, rather than dragging through foggy mornings. That sense of vitality begins at sunrise and flows into your evenings when your body, guided by vitamin D, recognizes it is time to rest. By consistently supporting your sleep through diet, sunlight, and mindful supplementation, you reinforce your internal clock and give yourself the gift of deeper, more restorative nights. This is about more than nutrients. It's about reclaiming control over your sleep and daytime energy. Vitamin D empowers your body to align with natural rhythms, enhancing both your nights and your days so you wake with focus, calm, and readiness, rather than grogginess or frustration. Vitamin number 3 is calcium, a mineral most people associate with strong bones, yet its impact on sleep is just as important. Calcium plays a key role in producing melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. When calcium levels are insufficient, your body struggles to make enough melatonin, leaving you restless and making it harder to drift off at night. Beyond hormone production, calcium also helps relax your muscles and nervous system, reducing tension in the body and quieting the mind. If you often find yourself tossing and turning or lying awake with a racing mind, calcium may be the missing link that allows your body to finally signal it's time to rest. Adding calcium to your evening routine can be simple, natural, and enjoyable. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese provide rich, bioavailable sources of calcium that your body can easily absorb. A small serving of yogurt or a warm glass of milk before bed can act as a gentle signal for relaxation, combining nourishment with the body's natural preparation for sleep. Cheese, eaten in moderation, also contributes to calcium intake and can be paired with fruit or whole grain crackers as a satisfying evening snack. For those who are sensitive to lactose or prefer plant-based options, fortified plant milks and calcium-set tofu can provide similar benefits without disrupting digestion. Calcium works best in synergy with magnesium, the mineral we discussed earlier. Together, they help calm the nervous system, support muscle relaxation, and enhance melatonin synthesis more effectively than either alone. Pairing these minerals through food or supplements can create a natural, balanced approach to promoting restful sleep. For instance, a small snack of almonds with a cup of yogurt combines magnesium and calcium, offering a gentle, physiological nudge toward relaxation. Imagine lying down at night and feeling your body gradually soften into the mattress. Your muscles release tension, your mind slows, and sleep comes with less effort than you thought possible. By incorporating calcium-rich foods into your evening routine, you not only give your body the raw materials it needs for healthy melatonin production, but you also create a nightly ritual that reinforces your sleep-wake rhythm. For many, this simple adjustment transforms restless nights into restorative sleep, improving mood, focus, and energy during the day. Calcium isn't just a mineral, it's a tool that empowers you to take control of your nights, support your natural rhythms, and wake feeling more refreshed and balanced than ever before. Vitamin number 2 is vitamin B12, a nutrient essential not only for your energy levels, but also for regulating your sleep-wake cycle and supporting brain health. Many adults don't get enough B12, and the effects can be subtle at first. Difficulty falling asleep, waking frequently during the night, fatigue the next day, or a persistent brain fog that makes even simple tasks feel challenging. Over time, a deficiency can affect cognition, mood, and overall vitality, creating a cycle where poor sleep reduces energy, which then impairs mental clarity and motivation. Understanding B12's role highlights why it is such a powerful tool for restoring both your nights and your days. B12 contributes to energy production at the cellular level, ensuring your body has the fuel it needs to operate efficiently during the day. More importantly, for sleep, it helps regulate circadian rhythm, the body's internal clock, by supporting the nervous system and influencing melatonin synthesis. When B12 levels are low, this delicate balance is disrupted, leaving your sleep fragmented and your mornings groggy. By addressing B12 deficiency, you not only improve your sleep patterns, but also enhance alertness, focus, and mood, creating a ripple effect that impacts every aspect of daily life. Incorporating B12 into your routine can be straightforward. Foods rich in this vitamin include eggs, milk, and fish, which provide bioavailable B12 that your body can readily use. A small evening snack, such as a boiled egg or a serving of yogurt, can help support your sleep-wake rhythm without overloading your system. For those who struggle to get enough from food alone, a B12 supplement is an effective and safe option, but it's wise to check with a healthcare provider to determine the right dose. By taking these small, consistent steps, you empower your body to restore balance naturally. Imagine finishing your day and feeling a subtle but noticeable difference. Your mind is calm, your body relaxed, and sleep arrives more easily. When B12 is sufficient, your brain communicates clearly with your body, signaling the right time to rest and recover. Waking up the next morning feels smoother, with more energy and focus than you thought possible. Addressing B12 deficiency isn't just about a vitamin. It's about reclaiming your nights, restoring your energy, and regaining control over your mental clarity. By choosing to include B12-rich foods or supplements, you take an active step toward healthier sleep and sharper, more resilient days. Vitamin number 1 is vitamin C, a nutrient often celebrated for immune support, but equally important for improving sleep quality. One of its most powerful effects is reducing cortisol, the stress hormone that keeps your mind and body in a constant state of alertness. High cortisol levels late in the day can make falling asleep nearly impossible and prevent restorative rest throughout the night. By supporting adrenal health and regulating stress response, vitamin C allows your nervous system to shift into a state of calm, creating the optimal conditions for deep, uninterrupted sleep. Additionally, it strengthens immune function, helping your body repair itself while you rest, which means waking up not just refreshed, but also more resilient to daily stressors. Incorporating vitamin C into your evening routine is simple and enjoyable. Foods like oranges, kiwi, and colorful bell peppers are excellent sources that provide the nutrient naturally. A small serving before dinner or as an afternoon snack can help support your body's stress response and melatonin production in the hours leading up to bedtime. Vitamin C also works synergistically with other vitamins we've discussed, particularly magnesium and B6, enhancing their combined effect on muscle relaxation, nervous system balance, and serotonin to melatonin conversion. This combination creates a more comprehensive approach to calming your body and mind, allowing sleep to come more effortlessly. When we step back and look at all 6 vitamins, it becomes clear how each plays a unique but interconnected role in promoting healthy sleep. Magnesium relaxes muscles and lowers cortisol. B6 helps convert tryptophan to serotonin and melatonin. Vitamin D regulates circadian rhythm. Calcium supports melatonin synthesis. B12 maintains the sleep-wake cycle and brain function. And vitamin C reduces stress and supports adrenal balance. Together, they form a natural, science-backed toolkit for improving sleep quality and overall health. Of course, nutrition alone is only one part of the picture. Sleep hygiene matters too. Simple habits such as keeping your bedroom cool, dimming lights in the evening, avoiding late caffeine, and maintaining a gentle pre-sleep routine can amplify the effects of these vitamins. Combining these lifestyle practices with targeted nutrient support gives you the power to take control of your nights and wake up feeling energized, focused, and calm. Here's a practical step you can take today. Choose one of these vitamins, whether through a food source or supplement, and commit to trying it consistently for the next couple of weeks. Observe how your sleep changes, how your mornings feel, and how your overall energy shifts. Small, consistent actions compound into meaningful results. By understanding the role each vitamin plays and implementing them thoughtfully, you reclaim agency over your sleep, giving yourself the gift of better nights and more vibrant days. If you found these insights helpful, subscribe for more practical, science-based strategies to improve your health and well-being naturally.